Hi, Gavin Newman here from JKD Racing. I wanted to have a chat to you about the Circuit XL that JKD Racing have put together for me. So I was on the market for a new car after writing one off last year. And the team at JKD Racing took a donor shell, stripped it out of all the deadening and everything, put a roll cage in it to a national spec, and filled it out with really good race parts. And the car's actually performing exceptionally well. We're getting some really good pace out of it. One of the things they've done is put a heavy-duty clutch in it. So if you're in the market for a heavy-duty clutch for an XL, for a race car, I'd highly recommend that to you. Guys are based in Benalla. Their workshop is there, about 15 minutes from the Winton track. So it's an ideal location for doing test days and things like that. And not only will they build the car for you, they'll even come to the track and help you set it up and support you during your racing. So get in touch with the team at JKD Racing if you're in the market for a Circuit XL. Have a look at their website, their Facebook page, LinkedIn, find the contact details there and get in touch with them.